Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to open relics in Warframe. Here in relics are items that contain Prime components, mods, or cosmetics, and opening them requires completing Void Fissure missions. To start, open your star chart or navigation menu and look for the Void Fissure icon in the upper right corner. As you can see, the Void Fissure icon is not available on my account, but if it's available on your account, just follow my steps and you'll be good to go, then click it. This opens the list of available Void Fissure missions. Choose a mission that fits your level and select a relic that contains the item you want. Equip the selected relic for the mission and confirm. During the mission, you will need to collect Reactant dropped by corrupted enemies. Gather 10 Reactant to unlock the relic and reveal one of the potential rewards inside. Remember, the items are randomized, so you may need to run the mission multiple times for rarer rewards, and that's it. We discovered how to select and equip a relic, collect Reactant during Void Fissure missions, and open relics to get Prime rewards in Warframe. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial video.